So you are thinking about getting a divorce, or your spouse has filed for a divorce. Do you need to get an attorney? That's the topic of today's video. Hi, my name is Sean Palmer. I'm with the Palmer Law Firm, and since 2002, I've been practicing law exclusively in the area of family law in the great state of Texas. So, do you need to get an attorney? Well, of course, there's many things when you talk with a lawyer, it depends. I highly recommend that you always talk with an attorney before you get involved in any kind of legal transaction, whether or not you want to do it on your own, or what we call pro se, that is, you want to represent yourself. Obviously, that will be free, but you get what you pay for. But if you are getting a divorce, or your spouse is trying to get a divorce, then you might want to consult with a family law attorney, whether or not you hire that person or not. A lot of family law attorneys, they offer a free consultation, so take advantage of that. During that free consultation, you'll be able to find out your rights, and you'll find out basically what the process is going to be and kind of get an outline of what's going on, so you have some knowledge. Then you can decide afterwards whether or not you want to hire an attorney, or if you want to hire the attorney that you consulted with as well. Now, there are some certain situations when I highly recommend that you do seriously consider hiring an attorney. And those situations involve, number one, if your spouse already has an attorney, you got to even out that playing field. If he's hired an attorney, now if that attorney, if they present that to you as, hey, we'll just use the one attorney, you're still going to want to get a consultation, because no attorney can represent two spouses. Okay, so if your spouse has hired an attorney, you might want to consider hiring your own, just to make sure everything is going smooth and fair. Other situations when it's really highly recommended to hire a family law attorney. If you own a home, if you own a home, whether it's your own separate property home that you got before the marriage, or if you've got the home while you were married, both situations. If either of the two of you, you or your spouse, have retirement accounts, or if either of you have other kinds of valuable property that would be hard to get a price tag on without some, getting some appraisals on it, or if you have a lot of debt in your marriage. Those situations are recommended that you actually hire a family law attorney. And the reason is because it can get complicated in dividing that property up and figuring out what's a fair division. Now, there's another set of situations when I usually recommend that you get a family law attorney on your team, and that is when you have a child or children of the marriage, and you think there's not going to be an agreement on custody, possession and access, and things of that nature. Those can be very complicated cases, very emotional, and you're going to want to have a legal team on your side. So in those situations, I definitely recommend that you get an attorney. So you don't have to have an attorney in any case, but sometimes it's wise to have an attorney on your side, particularly in these situations. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the places below. My name is Sean Palmer with the Palmer Law Firm, and we can't protect your heart, but we can protect your rights.